In the previous lesson, we wrote a simple Pygame program that opens a game window and keeps it running until we close it. Here's the code we had last time. This code sets up the window and the game loop. Nothing fancy yet, but it's our foundation. Now let's make things a bit more fun. This creates a variable that holds the color of our background. It's a light blue, but we'll soon make it dynamic. What's happening here? Well, this checks if the user clicked the mouse. If they did, we generate a new random color using random.randint for each RGB value, red, green, and blue. Each time we click, we get a new background color. Screen.fill paints the background with the current color, and pygame.displayFlip updates the screen with the new color. All right, let's run the code and see what happens. Every time I click anywhere inside the window, the background changes to a random color. Pretty cool, right? This is how we start adding interactivity to our games. That's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll take this even further. So stick around and I'll see you in the next one.